Gujarat, over the ages, has produced and observed numerous personalities and movements, leaving its mark on a global scale. Remarkably, people of this region venture in every possible area. Blessed with its rich natural resources, the soil of the state also has a very unique element in it, which produces visionaries like Gandhiji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dhirubhai Ambani and Vikram Sarabhai. The land on one hand proved its mettle in the freedom struggle by introducing non-cooperation as a weapon, and on the other showed the world what cooperation means through the White Revolution, with 2.8 million milk producers of Gujarat coming together. The spirit is seen in their excellence in education, research, industry and commerce. The list goes on. Gujarat today is one of the most sought-after destinations for huge industrial investment in diversified areas as a result of the up-to-date infrastructural facilities, huge educated human resources and above all, the age-long inclination towards business and commerce. Surat, one of the fastest growing cities in the world, with its highly impressive industrial profile, rightly claims its share of recognition as one of the most promising cities of Gujarat. With daily production of 30 million meters of raw fabric and 25 million meters of processed fabric, which is 90% of total polyester fabric used in India, and with innumerable garment manufacturing units surrounding Surat, it is considered to be the Manchester of India. Surat's diamond industry is responsible for more than 80% of cutting and polishing world diamonds. Apart from these two landmarks, Surat also is proud to have world-renowned industrial units like Essar, Reliance, Kripco, L&T, etc., with their key plants in the city. Surat's pioneering vision in infrastructure is reflected in its 4.5 kilometer long flyover, which was the first and the longest in India when it was constructed. With its strong connections with Mumbai and Ahmedabad vertically on the other axis, its far reach till Kolkata on National Highway 6, and being one of those fortunate cities that will directly be intersected by the Golden Quadrilateral system, falling under the DMIC band, Surat bears a huge potential of becoming one of the busiest areas in India. Foreseeing the prospects of Gujarat and Surat's advantageous location on the map, Transglobe Infrastructures Limited is planning to invest Rs 1,500 crore in a mega project spread over 200 hectares of land. Greenland's entertainment country is one of its kind entertainment city that does not limit itself to entertainment only, but goes beyond and deals with the recreational need on a much wider sense, targeting every age group of not only India but from across the globe. GEC will have the following features: avenues for fun. The features like animatronic animal show, laser show, artificial beach, monorail, free-fall ride, etc. will be introduced in India for the first time. Apart from having the regular features of a world-class entertainment park, GEC will equip itself with world-class sporting facilities. Features like ice skating and adventure sports are highly potential features to attract sports fans from all over India and neighboring countries. Fun and sports is interest of a specific segment of people. GEC goes well beyond every other entertainment zone with its avenues for recreation with these state-of-the-art facilities. The riverfront development will prove to be the most special feature for the grown-ups, where they can spend their time at leisure experiencing the world-class facilities provided by Greenland's entertainment countries. Adding yet more to it, GEC also is further prepared to attract people from all over India and abroad to spend longer periods of time over their educational and medical facilities. This will prove to be the most unique feature of GEC, as people would love to spend their vacations making use of the time spent here in the most enjoyable yet fruitful way. With these features, with all its high infrastructural and administrative facilities such as transportation, communication, security, emergency management unit, we don't call it just a park, but an integrated entertainment city planned between Surat and Navsari, the epicenter of the proposed twin city. Transglobe Infrastructures Limited, comprising of 3 highly capable companies, highly experienced in the fields of construction and hospitality management, has been formed to execute this colossal task. GEC is a brainchild of Rajhans Group and Green Group. The 2 Surat-based realty giants are responsible for over 4,80,800 square meters of developed land area in Surat and many other cities, holding a credit of working on 48 hectares of land with a turnover of rupees 163,000 lakhs. Now, with a strategic partnership with Chatrala Group, a US-based hospitality management company, GEC will be backed with the most valuable international experience and global standards gained through successful management of more than 30 hotels over its strong 40 years of history and flags of various renowned franchises including Hyatt, Marriott, Hilton, Intercontinental, Carlson, Wyndham Hotel Group, Choice International Hotels and more. Transglobe Infrastructures Limited is all set to undergo the following. There was no better juncture on the timeline of Gujarat's history to think about a world-class, fully equipped entertainment center than now. In the true spirit of Gujarat, Transglobe Infrastructures Limited wants to establish Greenland Entertainment Country as an integrated entertainment city.